Today we're going to look at how to set up a DeltaMath account. So in Block 1, Week 1, Activity 4 asks you to create your DeltaMath account. You can click on the link which will open the DeltaMath website. We want to click Create Account and we're going to create a student account. We can flip back over here for the teacher code, which is 867479. You can copy that and paste it, or you can just write it down and remember it. Then you're going to enter your name. So this is for Navigator. And then you'll enter your username and password. I recommend that you use the same one that you have for Brightspace just to make it easier to remember. Navigator. And then they just want you to retype it because this is what you're going to use as your login. And then you will create your account. Oh, make sure you click a class. So if you've done something wrong, if something doesn't match, it will give you an alert down there and it won't let you create the account. So you would choose either Math 7 or Math 8 depending upon which math class you are in. Now you can create an account. It says your account has been created successfully. So now you can log in. And when you log in, you can see that there are already some assignments for 8th grade math. Those will be assigned to you as part of your work in Brightspace. You don't need to do any of these lessons today. Your only assignment today was to create the account. If you have any questions, please email me. Thanks.